Very few men are trusted to fight the nation's darkest battles, and even fewer are trusted to stand beside the President of India. This man has done both. From the shadows of 10 para special forces to the ceremonial corridors of Rashtrapati Bhavan, Lieutenant Colonel Gaurav Chaudhary represents valor with discipline and power with silence. Stay with me because this is not a story of popularity, this is a story of earned trust. Lieutenant Colonel Gaurav Chaudhary is a decorated officer of the Indian Army, serving in one of its most elite units, 10 Para Special Forces, famously known as Desert Scorpions. An officer chosen not only for combat excellence but also for one of the most prestigious appointments in India, the AD camp to the President of India. This combination alone tells us one thing, that he is trusted in both war and peace. Joining 10 Para Special Forces is not a career decision. It is a lifestyle choice. It demands extreme physical endurance, unbreakable mental toughness, absolute discipline, and the ability to operate silently without recognition. Lieutenant Colonel Gaurav Chaudhary trained in combat freefall, desert warfare, and high altitude operations. Here, mistakes are not corrected, they are paid for. And surviving, leading, and excelling here already places him among the best of the best. His bravery was not theoretical, he was tested in real operations. For his courage in service, he was awarded the Sena Medal, a recognition given only when actions rise far above the duty. But those who serve with him say this: he leads from the front and corrects from behind. That is the real leadership. Now comes the part that makes his journey truly rare. Being selected as ADC to the President of India is not about ceremonial elegance. It requires flawless conduct, deep understanding of protocol, absolute confidentiality, and the highest level of trust. An ADC represents the Indian Armed Forces at the highest constitutional level. From special forces operations to standing beside the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces, this transition speaks volumes about his character and credibility. Lieutenant Colonel Gaurav Chaudhary is admired not just for missions, but for the daily discipline he lives by, physical fitness as a non-negotiable, mental calm under pressure, professional excellence without noise. He is known for mentoring junior officers, instilling values of responsibility, integrity, respect for the uniform. He proves one powerful truth, that discipline is freedom. In an age where visibility is currency, Lieutenant Colonel Gaurav Chaudhary chooses silence. No loud social media presence, no self-promotion, no chasing applause. Because Special Forces officers are trained to believe, let your work speak, not your name. And that silence has only deepened public respect. What can you and I learn from his journey is excellence needs discipline, trust is earned, not claimed, true strength is calm, serve something bigger than yourself, and you don't need a uniform to live with honor. You need values, and that's enough. Lieutenant Colonel Gaurav Chaudhary reminds us that the strongest people are often the quietest. He stands as a proof that valor doesn't need validation, discipline doesn't need applause, and service doesn't need spotlight. Some men protect the nation from the front lines, some protect its dignity at the highest office, and a rare few are trusted to do both. And he is Lieutenant Colonel Gaurav Chaudhary. If the story inspired you, like this video, share it and comment Silent Warriors in the comment section. Because India doesn't just raise soldiers, it raises leaders who serve in silence and always stand for the nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.